Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to change your mobile number on your Arattai app. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change your mobile number in your Arattai app, then I will show you a simple method how to do this. First of all, you need to open your Arattai app. In top left side corner, you will find three horizontal lines. You have to tap on that, then tap on settings. After that, you have to just scroll down. Here you will find accounts. Tap on that. You can see in this first option, change phone number. You have to just tap on that. In this, you can see all your cloud data including messages, media, contacts, etc. will be moved to the new number. Means when you change your mobile number, all your recent messages, media like photos and videos and contacts will be moved to new number. After that, you have to just tap on next. You have to enter your new mobile number, then tap on send OTP. Then you will receive OTP on your new number. You have to enter that OTP, then tap on next. After that, your mobile number will be changed. That's it guys. So in this way you can change your mobile number in your Arattai app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.